Growing your TikTok quickly as a beginner starts with understanding your audience and crafting engaging content. Post consistently at optimal times when your audience is most active to maximize visibility. Focus on trending sounds, hashtags and challenges, tailoring them to fit your niche for higher reach. Keep your videos short and impactful, capturing attention in the first few seconds. Experiment with creative hooks to make viewers stay until the end. Engage with your followers through comments, duets, and stitches to build a strong community. Utilize TikTok analytics to track what works best and refine your strategy over time. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to tap into new audiences. Stay authentic and show your personality. Relatable content often goes viral. Want to grow your TikTok account quickly and easily? In this video, we're sharing our top beginner hacks to help you skyrocket your TikTok presence. From increasing your followers to going viral, we've got you covered. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your TikTok game to the next level, these simple yet effective tips will have you growing your account in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and start growing your TikTok today. If you're finding these tips helpful, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who's starting their TikTok journey, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more content to help you grow and succeed on TikTok. Join me as I explore simple and effective ways to grow my TikTok account from 0 to 100 followers in just 1 week. Welcome to this video, your ultimate guide to growing your TikTok presence quickly. Designed especially for beginners, we'll dive into simple and effective hacks that are easy to follow. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to boost your profile, these tips will help you connect with your audience and gain traction fast. Let's get started and unlock the potential of your TikTok journey. Beginners on TikTok often face challenges like gaining followers and standing out in a sea of content. It can feel overwhelming trying to figure out what type of videos resonate with an audience. Creating engaging content that captures attention within seconds is another hurdle, especially when competing with trending creators. Many struggle with consistency, finding the right hashtags, or understanding TikTok's algorithm, which plays a big role in visibility. These common struggles can make growth seem slow and discouraging, but with the right strategies, they can be overcome. Posting at optimal times when your audience is most active can significantly boost visibility, so experiment with late afternoons or evenings when TikTok activity peaks. Jump on trending challenges and use popular sounds to increase the chances of your videos appearing on more For You pages. Keep your content creative and align it with your niche to attract the right audience. Engage with followers by responding to comments, creating duets, or stitching their videos to build stronger connections. Use relevant hashtags that are trending but not overly saturated to improve discoverability. Keep your videos short and attention-grabbing, with a hook in the first 3 seconds to encourage viewers to watch till the end. Post consistently to keep your audience engaged and the algorithm working in your favor. Making money on TikTok with affiliate marketing involves creating engaging content that naturally promotes products or services. Start by joining affiliate programs related to your niche and obtaining unique affiliate links to share with your audience. Focus on building trust by recommending products you genuinely believe in and have value for your followers. Incorporate your affiliate links strategically, such as placing them in your bio or sharing them in captions if allowed. Create relatable and entertaining videos showcasing the product's benefits, using storytelling or demonstrations to capture interest. Utilize TikTok's Shop Now or similar features if available in your region to drive direct sales. Engage with your audience in the comments and encourage them to ask questions about the products to increase interaction and conversions. Consistently analyze which content drives the most clicks and adapt your strategy to maximize earnings. Start by creating product-based tutorials that show how to use the products you're promoting. This offers value to your audience while subtly introducing the affiliate links. Collaborate with influencers or creators in your niche to expand your reach and create joint affiliate promotions. Host giveaways where the entry requirement is to check out the affiliate link, increasing clicks while engaging your audience. You can also create themed product collections or top 5 style videos showcasing affiliate products that fit within a particular trend or season, making them more relatable. Share behind-the-scenes content showing how you use the affiliate products in your daily life, building trust with your audience. Leverage TikTok's live streaming feature to showcase products in real time, providing a direct link for viewers to purchase instantly. Offer exclusive discounts for your followers through affiliate links, making them feel special and driving conversions. Create a dedicated series where each episode features a different product you are promoting, allowing followers to become invested in the products. Engage your audience by asking for their opinions on products, then direct them to your affiliate link for more information, turning your content into a conversation. Create content that educates your audience about affiliate marketing itself, showing them how they can make money by promoting products, alongside the products you're promoting. You can create time-sensitive offers by highlighting limited-time discounts or flash sales through your affiliate links, creating urgency and motivating immediate action. Another strategy is to design content around a challenge, where viewers are encouraged to use the products you're promoting to participate, increasing engagement while driving clicks. Consider using TikTok's duet feature to react to other popular videos, but incorporate the affiliate products in a creative and subtle way, leveraging viral trends. You can also build a before and after story using affiliate products, showing the results after using them, which adds authenticity and appeal to your promotions. Creating exclusive how-to content that solves specific problems or provides value, with affiliate products as part of the solution, can attract a targeted audience. Incorporate affiliate products into trending memes or funny skits, as humor often boosts engagement and shareability, spreading the word about your affiliate links. Develop a series of unboxing or first impression videos for the affiliate products, highlighting your genuine reactions and opinions. You could also feature customer reviews or testimonials in your content, showcasing real experiences from people who have bought the products through your affiliate links. As you already know, affiliate marketing is an amazing business opportunity. If you're ready to start your own affiliate marketing journey, check out the link in the description below. Take advantage of the special Black Friday discount and kickstart your business today. Don't miss this chance to invest in your future. I'd love to hear about your experiences growing your TikTok account. Share your thoughts, tips, or challenges in the comments below. I'll be reading and responding. If you're ready to take your TikTok game to the next level, check out my next video on advanced strategies to maximize your growth and engagement. Let's keep building your TikTok success together.